Before you start penetration testing, exploit development, or using security tools, you need one important foundation: networking. Every website you visit, every application you use, and every device connected to the internet communicates through networks. In this video, I will explain networking from zero and show practical commands inside my own ethical hacking lab. Let's start. What is a network? A network is simply a connection between devices that allows them to exchange information. For example, your laptop connects to a router. Your router connects to the internet. Servers communicate with your browser. As a cybersecurity professional, you need to understand how this communication happens. IP address. An IP address is the identity of a device on a network. Think of it like a house address. Example: 192.168.1.50. This tells other devices where information should be delivered. Practical demo open. Kali Linux IP add-on explain. This command shows the network interfaces and IP addresses assigned to my machine. Example: ETH0INET192.168.1.50. This is my device's address inside this local network. MAC address. An IP address can change, but a MAC address is linked to the network hardware. Example: AA:/BB:/CC:11:22:33. Practical IP link. This displays network interfaces and their MAC addresses. Ports and services. An IP address tells us which device we are communicating with. A port tells us which service is running. Example: computer is SIX port 80, web port 443, HTTPS port 22SSH. Common ports 22SSH 53 DNS 80 HTTP 443 HTTPS. Security professionals study ports because services need to be properly configured and secured. DNS. Humans remember names. Computers communicate using IP addresses. DNS connects these two. Example: google.com IP address. Practical, hence look up google.com. This command asks DNS for information about a domain. Basic network commands. Test connection. Ping 19. 2.168.1.1 ping checks whether another device responds. View network route. IP route. This shows where network traffic is sent. View network route. Check local services. SS-TULN. This displays services listening on my own machine. Networking is the foundation of cybersecurity. Before learning advanced penetration testing, master IP addresses, ports, protocols, DNS, traffic analysis. Remember, ethical hackers only test systems they own or have permission to assess. Keep learning, keep practicing, and build your skills step by step. If you like my video, please consider subscribing to the channel. It helps me a lot to make more videos like this. That's it for today. Also, stay tuned for upcoming videos. Bye-bye.